Hey there! Welcome back to Whiteboard Invest, your #1 go-to source for clear and concise investing knowledge, explanation, and news updating daily. Let's dive into the latest buzz from the crypto world, shall we? And well, buckle up. Today gonna be a wild ride. The very first news. Whiff. Pepe Doge. Dominate as Memecoin surge 114%. What's next? Next, Cardano sees 40% surge in trading volume. Gonna break it down. Meanwhile, HBAR takes over Qatar with 50 Maros Digital Assets Venture Studio, and we gonna have Vitalik Buterin addresses major concerns by Ethereum community. That's the highlight. Stay tuned for more, and smash that subscribe button for all the latest altcoin daily news. The Memecoin sector is booming this year, showing massive growth compared to all other crypto sectors. We're talking about a whopping 114% increase year-to-date, YTD, according to recent data from Artemis. Memecoins like Doge, Whiff, and Pepe have played a big part in this surge. They've even outperformed centralized exchange tokens, DePIN tokens, and AI tokens. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Interestingly, AMB Crypto's analysis of Santiment's data reveals that the social buzz around Doge and Whiff has dropped significantly over the past month. This decline in social activity could spell trouble, as a dip in popularity often leads to a dip in price for these tokens. Newcomers like Trump and Bowden are starting to hog the spotlight on social media, which means tokens like Doge and Whiff might lose some of their market share if they don't manage to regain their social media presence. On the flip side, Pepe is holding its ground. Despite the competition, it saw a spike in social activity recently, indicating it's still grabbing attention online. The sentiment around Pepe remains positive, which is a good sign for its future. In fact, Pepe has been doing well, not just in terms of social metrics, but also in network growth, with new addresses showing interest. On the flip side, Pepe is holding its ground. Despite the competition, it saw a spike in social activity recently, indicating it's still grabbing attention online. The sentiment around Pepe remains positive, which is a good sign for its future. In fact, Pepe has been doing well, not just in terms of social metrics, but also in network growth, with new addresses showing interest. In the past 24 hours, Cardano's trading volume jumped by 41.95% to $461.96 million, showing a surge in interest. ADA has been a standout in the recent crypto rally, with founder Charles Hoskinson celebrating its rise and highlighting the progress of Hydra, a Layer 2 solution. Data from CoinGlass also showed an 8.44% increase in open interest, reaching $246.79 million. The community is buzzing, attributing the boom to smart contract updates and Hoskinson's encouraging messages, although some remain skeptical due to past unmet predictions. Recent moves include appointing Giorgio Zanetti as CTO, the Cardano treasury accumulating 1.5 billion ADA tokens worth over $720 million, and the launch of USDM, Cardano's new stablecoin aimed at competing in the $160 billion stablecoin market. In the past 24 hours, Cardano's trading volume jumped by 41.95% to $461.96 million, showing a surge in interest. ADA has been a standout in the recent crypto rally, with founder Charles Hoskinson celebrating its rise and highlighting the progress of Hydra, a Layer 2 solution. Data from CoinGlass also showed an 8.44% increase in open interest, reaching $246.79 million. The community is buzzing, attributing the boom to smart contract updates and Hoskinson's encouraging messages, although some remain skeptical due to past unmet predictions. Recent moves include appointing Giorgio Zanetti as CTO, the Cardano treasury accumulating 1.5 billion ADA tokens worth over $720 million, and the launch of USDM, Cardano's new stablecoin aimed at competing in the $160 billion stablecoin market. Oh, By the way, the content in our video should not be considered investment advice, just for entertainment only. Investing is speculative. When investing, your capital is at risk. Before we dive into today's next market-breaking news, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to fuel us up for even hotter content than ever. In the past 24 hours, Cardano's trading volume jumped by 41.95% to $461.96 million, showing a surge in interest. ADA has been a standout in the recent crypto rally, with founder Charles Hoskinson celebrating its rise and highlighting the progress of Hydra, a Layer 2 solution. Data from CoinGlass also showed an 8.44% increase in open interest, reaching $246.79 million. The community is buzzing, attributing the boom to smart contract updates and Hoskinson's encouraging messages, although some remain skeptical due to past unmet predictions. Recent moves include appointing Giorgio Zanetti as CTO, the Cardano treasury accumulating 1.5 billion ADA tokens worth over $720 million, and the launch of USDM, Cardano's new stablecoin aimed at competing in the $160 billion stablecoin market. The Hashgraph Association, an independent nonprofit, has been pivotal in promoting this unique blockchain by partnering with government institutions. In February 2024, they inked a 5-year deal with Saudi Arabia's Ministry of Investment. The Saudi government even invested $250 million to develop the Deep Tech Venture Studio in Riyadh, leveraging AI, quantum computing, and VR. Now, the Hashgraph Association has partnered with Qatar, one of the wealthiest nations, to create a digital assets venture studio with a $50 million fund. This venture, supported by Qatar's Digital Assets Lab and part of the country's National Vision 2030, aims to accelerate the development of decentralized finance solutions. Yusuf Mohammed Al-Jaida, CEO of Qatar's Financial Center, highlighted this partnership as crucial for establishing Qatar as a financial hub by 2030. The studio, set to run for 4 years and complete by 2028, will empower local businesses with resources like tutoring, engineering, and financing. The Hashgraph Association is contributing 20% of the $50 million fund, helping startups access digital asset solutions, including tokenizing real-world assets on HBAR's ledger. This initiative has already led to a significant increase in new wallets, with over 83,000 created on May 15th, following the announcement in Doha. HBAR's price saw a modest 1.1% gain over the past 24 hours, trading at $0.11, and boasts a 108% gain over the past year, though it remains down 80% from its peak. However, there's been some confusion around BlackRock's involvement. A 60% surge in HBAR's price on April 24th was short-lived after BlackRock clarified that their MMF deployment was initiated by Archax, not directly by them. This $50 million incubator is aimed at creating regulatory-compliant blockchain financial products, showing how partnerships between blockchain developers and governments can pave the way for clearer global crypto regulations. A popular crypto analyst recently made a bullish case for XRP, predicting a significant price jump. Analyzing the XRP to USD chart, Dark Defender highlighted a bull flag pattern that could push XRP's price as high as 18.2, with interim targets at 188 and over $5. This pattern, seen on monthly, 3-month, and 6-month charts, indicates a potential breakout. Other analysts are also optimistic. Blockbull predicts XRP could hit $250 by 2025, based on historical trends in Bitcoin halving events, while Jonathan Carter points to a symmetrical triangle on the weekly chart, suggesting an imminent breakout. Despite these positive analyses, market volatility and the ongoing SEC lawsuit, which questions XRP's classification as a security, pose significant risks. A negative ruling could impact investor sentiment and hinder price surges. Still, analysts like eGrag Crypto believe a rise to $4 is feasible, showing varied bullish sentiment. Crypto strategist Altcoin Sherpa predicts big rallies for several top cryptocurrencies in the coming months. He told his 215,400 followers on X that Render, a GPU-related project, is expected to hold its $10 support level and could rise significantly, with a trading range of $10 to $12, set $72. RNDR is currently trading at $10.13, up over 1% in the last 24 hours. Sherpa also sees short-term bullishness for Bitcoin, trading at 67,036 ounce, up more than 2%, but advises waiting for clearer signals before making new long positions. For Ethereum, despite facing resistance at key levels like the 200-day moving average and negative sentiment, it's trading at $3,104, up 5.19%. Lastly, he remains long-term bullish on Solana, suggesting accumulation after its recent consolidation, with SOL trading at $171, up 6.43%. Vitalik Buterin recently discussed Ethereum's future plans, focusing on decentralization and addressing concerns like maximal extractable value, MEV. He highlighted upcoming improvements like PeerDAS, Berkeley trees, and EIP 44444, aiming to make Ethereum more accessible and scalable. Buterin emphasized the importance of nodes in decentralization, suggesting storing historical data in a peer-to-peer network to maintain robustness. To manage MEV, he proposed strategies like minimizing exploitable information and quarantining MEV impact through block content selection auctions. Buterin stressed the need for Ethereum to maintain its unique properties while supporting Layer 2 projects and ensuring scalability and security. Phantom Foundation just dropped some big news about their latest blockchain, Sonic Network. They're switching gears from their old Opera version to this new Layer 1 blockchain, aiming to boost scalability and performance. Plus, they're planning an airdrop for FTM token holders, converting them to the new token S at a 1.1 ratio. This move encourages users to hop on board with Sonic Network, as all future development efforts will be focused there. The upgrade, announced earlier this year, promises some major changes, like processing up to 2,000 transactions per second and setting up cross-chain bridges to Ethereum and other EVM chains. Phantom also hints at supporting projects in DeFi, AI, and SocialFi. They're even planning an airdrop of token S, although the specifics aren't out yet to prevent any farming shenanigans. Recent market activity has shown a spike in FTM price and TVL, with FTM reaching 0.86 and TVL hitting $200 million before dipping to $135 million, marking its highest since a major hack back in 2023.
Alright, that's hottest news today. If you guys did find this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe our channel for more free content. Thanks for watching. Peace out.